I'm cutting cubes of this wonderful stewing meat. This one is beef, but I also like to use lamb or pork for this dish. I'm making carbonada criolla, or creole beef and pumpkin stew. You might think that we use creole in a lot of our food as a name to identify the recipes. It's not the kind of creole that you think. We actually call creole or criollos to the immigrants that influence our cuisine. This stew is also special because of the use of so many earthy ingredients. Pumpkin, sweet potato, carrots, and corn are an special part of this dish. The earthiness that these vegetables bring to the stew, the soft and tender braised beef with a touch of sweetness of ripe peaches. This stew brings something for every taste. Now, to complement the sweetness of this stew, I'm gonna do a fast caramel. Instead of using sugar and water, I'm making the caramel in the oil. The amber caramel is gonna coat the meat and add a second layer of flavor, an intense caramel flavor to the end result. The caramel forms really fast, and I don't wanna burn it. Quick stir, and I'm ready for the veggies. Flavor, lots and lots of flavor. Now, the sweetness of the caramel and the peaches, the freshness of thyme and oregano, and the kick of chili flakes. Now, man, I can't wait. Now, I'll cover it up, and I'm gonna get my plate ready. And for my plate, I'm gonna use a pumpkin. In this case, a cabocha squash. In Argentina, we like to use the pumpkin to serve our carbonada. This way is not only a really cool way of serving something, but we can also scrape in the inside meat and eat it too. I can smell the pumpkin, I can smell the thyme, and the sweetness comes through. Now, it's hollow, but it still has all its meat. So now, I can use it as a perfect bowl to finish cooking this stew in the oven. As it cooks away, and it simmers the meat and softens it, it will also cook the meat of the pumpkin. I wanna make sure there's lots and lots of liquid so it stews away. And now, to the oven. Now, how exciting is this? My pumpkin turned turn into the perfect bowl for this sweet and meaty stew. I can actually take parts of this wall and mix them in. The meat is so soft. It's sweet, but I can get the kick of the chili flake. All those root vegetables, they have sort of like broken down to make a thick, sweet broth. This carbonada criolla is another tradition of Argentina that wherever I am in the world, I keep alive.